Okay, look at the question. P, Q, and R are three intersecting sets in the universal set U. That symbol. Which of the following represents the shaded portion? So to find the shaded portion, so let us analyze the options one by one based on what we have learnt. So now we have three circles. P, Q, R. Now P union Q in brackets intersection R. That means I have to shade P union Q first. So everything here is P union Q. As in, based on what we have learned, you can go and watch the video on shaded part of Venn diagram. So this is P and this is Q. So P union Q means shade all the P and Q. Now intersection R. So I'll shade R also. So this circle is for R. So now where do you have double lines? Because we have intersection. It is where we have double lines that we are going to pick as our answer in this one. So you will see that your double line is here. So that means the result diagram will be like this. So this place is where I have my double lines. So and that place is P union Q intersection R, if this is PQR. So it doesn't look like the diagram. So option A is wrong like that. Now let's see option B. So let's see option B. P union Q complement intersection R. So that means I'll have three sets, then P Q R. So P union Q complement. Remember, P union Q is all this, everything here. That means I will leave that P union Q and shade outside every other part because of complement. So this is P union Q complement. I will leave P union Q and shade every other part. Go and watch my video on shaded part of set so you will understand better. We are applying it now. Oh, sorry, I will leave P union Q and shade the rest, so I don't need to touch P union Q. I'll shade the rest. So this is P union Q complement. So leave P union Q and shade the rest. So followed by intersection R. So shade R, but use different diagram. So now if you see this, because of intersection, our answer is where we have double lines, and if you see this is where we have double lines. That means according to this is our result answer, P Q R. So for B, this is the answer. So P union Q complement intersection R. So it's this place. So it doesn't look like the question. So option B is also wrong. So now let's see option C. So let's see C. P Q R. Now R union Q intersection P complements. So now R union Q. So this is PQ, this is R. So R union Q means I'll shade Q and R. as in shade everything in Q and R. So this is R union Q. So that is both R and Q, shade it. So R union Q. Then P complement. What does P complement means? This circle is for P. It means leave that circle and shade every other part. So leave that circle. Now shade every other part, but use different pattern. So let me use straight. So leave P and shade every other part. That is P complement. So don't touch that circle for P, but shade every other part. Yeah. Okay. Now we have this. So where do you have double lines? Where do you have double lines? So I have double lines here. You will see here, here, and here, as in this place. So we have double lines there. That means this will becomes, I actually changed the way they write their PQR, so you can see that it doesn't matter how they draw it. So anyhow they draw it, if you do your own very well, you will get the same results. So now I call this place P, Q, and R. So that means where I have double lines is those places. See where I'm shading now. So that is where I have double lines. So check the diagram. So this is where I have double lines. So if you look at the diagram and look at this one, you will see they are the same. So that is, this is PQ. So it's the way I represent my own. So that is, if you rotate it, because I don't actually like cramming, that's why I changed the PQR. So it's scattered. So it's actually the same as this. So that's it. So that means option C is correct. So like that. So now, what if we want to test the option D? So let's test the option D. You know, some people will still be confused how that one is like that. R union Q intersection P complements, as in that C. You know, they did their own like P, Q, R, as in based on the question. This is Q, R. Like this. So R union Q is here. So I just want to make it fast. So R union Q is here. And P complement is leave P and shade the outside, as in leave P and shade every other part. Don't touch P, shade every other part. So you can actually see how it looks like that one. So I will not waste. So look at it now. Where do you have double lines? We have double lines here, here, and here. So and that is the shaded parts according to the question. So P, Q, R. So the double lines are here. So you see it's actually that. So option C is correct. So now for the D, since C is correct, then D is not right. But you solve for D. P union Q complement. You leave P union Q shade others. Then you will get your result. So correct answer is C.